You probably think wealthy retirees stay rich because they invested in the perfect stocks, bought real estate at the perfect time, or just got lucky. But after looking at how financially secure retirees actually live, something strange starts to show up. The people who stay wealthy in retirement are often not the ones spending the most. In fact, many of them quietly stopped buying certain things years ago. And no, this isn't about clipping coupons, skipping coffee, or living like a monk. Because some of the biggest money leaks, they're the exact purchases most people still think are normal. And the scary part is, these habits don't make you feel broke today. They make you poorer, slowly. So if you want to understand how wealthy retirees actually protect their money without feeling deprived, here are 10 things many of them quietly stopped buying, and why it matters more than ever. And before you roll your eyes and think this is another stop eating avocado toast lecture, relax. Some of these might genuinely surprise you. Let's start with one that quietly drains thousands from people every single year. Number 10. Brand new cars every few years. Most people think wealth looks like upgrading. New payment. But wealthy retirees often think differently, because they know something most people ignore. Cars don't just lose value, they lose value fast. The moment a new car leaves the dealership, a chunk of its value disappears. And wealthy retirees, especially the ones trying to preserve wealth, start asking a different question. Do I actually need the newest version? Or do I just like the feeling of having it? That question alone saves some people tens of thousands of dollars over time. Many financially secure retirees still drive reliable vehicles for years longer than you'd expect. Not because they can't afford better, because they understand something important. Retirement isn't about impressing strangers, it's about keeping freedom. And monthly car payments are one of the fastest ways to quietly kill that freedom. But cars are obvious. The next thing is where people really start bleeding money without noticing. Number 9. Extended warranties they don't need. There's something weird about retirement. The older you get, the more companies start selling you peace of mind. Extra warranty, premium protection, VIP coverage, just in case. Sure, it makes sense. But wealthy retirees often avoid paying for expensive protection plans on every single purchase, because they understand probability. If you're constantly buying protection for everything, eventually you become the insurance company. The math quietly stops working in your favor. Instead, financially smart retirees tend to build emergency savings that protect them better than random add-ons ever could. Because real financial peace rarely comes from buying more fear protection. It comes from being prepared. And speaking of things sold as convenience, this next one is quietly wrecking budgets everywhere. Number 8. Too many monthly subscriptions. Nobody notices subscriptions at first. That's the problem. $10 here, $15 there. Streaming, apps, premium memberships, meal boxes, auto renewals you forgot existed. They feel harmless. Together, they quietly become a second utility bill. Wealthy retirees often get surprisingly ruthless here. Not cheap, intentional. If they don't use it, they cut it. Simple. Because retirement changes your relationship with money. You stop asking, can I afford this? And start asking, is this still earning its place in my life? That mindset shift matters more than people realize. But the next one is emotional. And honestly, it catches a lot of people off guard. Number 7. Buying things to impress people. This one's uncomfortable, because most people don't even realize they're doing it. The fancy watch, luxury upgrades, status purchases. Things bought less for usefulness and more for how they make other people see us. Wealthy retirees often grow out of this, maybe because age changes perspective, or maybe because they've already learned a painful truth. Most people stop paying attention faster than you think. The expensive car becomes normal. The fancy purchase gets forgotten, but the financial cost, that sticks around. The wealthiest retirees often care less about looking rich and more about staying financially calm. And what they stop buying next might be the biggest surprise yet. Number 6. Huge houses they no longer need. For years, bigger felt better. More space, more status, more success, but retirement changes the equation, because suddenly, you're heating rooms you barely enter, cleaning spaces nobody uses, paying taxes and maintenance on square footage that stopped improving your life years ago. That's why many wealthy retirees quietly downsize, because they're optimizing. Less stress, lower costs, more freedom. And strangely enough, Many say they end up happier. But if you think housing costs are expensive, wait until you see what some retirees stopped buying at the grocery store. Number 5. Convenience spending every day. Delivery fees, impulse purchases, overpriced convenience. None of it feels dangerous in the moment. That's exactly why it works. Wealthy retirees aren't perfect. They just become more aware of recurring spending that slowly compounds. Because retirement turns money into something different. Every unnecessary expense quietly becomes future time. And when you start seeing money as freedom instead of consumption, your habits change. Number 4. Expensive debt. This one separates comfortable retirees from stressed retirees. Debt doesn't disappear just because you stop working. Credit card balances, high-interest loans, payments that quietly follow you into retirement. Many wealthy retirees become obsessed with reducing financial friction. And debt? That's friction. Because nothing destroys peace faster than fixed payments eating your income every month. Number 3. Constant upgrades. New phone, new TV, new gadget, new everything. Modern culture trains people to upgrade constantly. But wealthy retirees often ask one brutally simple question. Is the old one actually breaking? If not, they keep using it. Not because they hate spending, because they understand diminishing returns. The jump from terrible to good feels huge. The jump from good to slightly better? Usually expensive. Number 2. Financially draining friendships. Money habits are contagious. Some people constantly pressure others into spending. Luxury dinners, expensive trips, keeping up. Wealthy retirees often stop trying to impress people whose lifestyles quietly pressure them financially. Because retirement becomes less about social performance and more about protecting peace. And the final thing, honestly, it might be the most important of all. Thing number 1, the need to look wealthy. This is the big shift. Many wealthy retirees stop chasing appearances. They stop buying things just to prove something, because eventually, a weird realization hits. Looking rich and being rich are often completely different games. One costs money, the other protects it. And the retirees who stay financially comfortable for decades, they usually pick the second game. Because the truth is, staying rich in retirement isn't usually about earning more. It's about quietly avoiding the habits that slowly drain what you already built. And maybe the biggest lesson here is this. Wealthy retirees don't necessarily buy better things. They buy fewer things that stop mattering. So here's the question. Which one of these do you think people waste the most money on without even realizing it?